Welcome to our ultimate guide. Finding the best water dispenser for home use can transform your family's hydration. Today, we review 5 incredible bottom-loading water coolers tailored for USA households. Let's explore their features and performance to help you make a smart buying decision. Product number 1. Brio Bottom-Loading Water Dispenser. The Brio Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to combine convenience with modern elegance. Featuring a premium stainless steel finish, this sleek appliance seamlessly complements contemporary kitchen decors. Its bottom-loading design eliminates the heavy lifting and potential spills associated with flipping heavy 5-gallon jugs. The Brio dispenses hot, cold, and room temperature water on demand, offering incredible flexibility for making instant coffee, tea, or enjoying a refreshing cold drink. Safety is a top priority. It includes a reliable child safety lock on the hot water spout, providing peace of mind for families with young kids. Additionally, the smart LED display features a convenient empty bottle alert, ensuring you are never caught off guard. Combining a user-friendly experience, durable construction, and efficient temperature control, the Brio water cooler is a standout investment for upgrading your daily hydration at home.
Product number 2 is the Avalon A4 BLWT CLR dispenser. The Avalon A4 BLWT CLR bottom-loading water cooler brings commercial-grade reliability right into your home. Engineered with a highly efficient compressor, it delivers crisp, ice-cooled water at approximately 47 degrees Fahrenheit and piping hot water at 185 degrees, perfect for all your beverage needs. The bottom-loading cabinet effortlessly accommodates both 3- and 5-gallon jugs, making refills completely strain-free. This unit boasts a sleek, fingerprint-resistant stainless steel cabinet that looks fantastic in any modern space. It features 3 distinct push-button temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature. A built-in nightlight brilliantly illuminates the dispensing area for late-night thirst quenching, while the empty bottle indicator alerts you precisely when it is time for a replacement. Certified by Energy Star and UL, it also features a child safety lock for the hot water button. The Avalon A4 is a perfectly balanced, energy-efficient hydration solution for busy American households.
Product number 3. T-Hauled Bottom-Loading Water Dispenser. The T-Hauled Bottom-Loading Water Dispenser offers a stunning blend of durability and premium aesthetics. Constructed with a high-quality aluminum alloy side panel, this dispenser ensures long-lasting stability and excellent heat dissipation, outperforming standard plastic models. It completely removes the physical strain of lifting heavy jugs by utilizing a convenient bottom-load cabinet suitable for standard 3- or 5-gallon bottles. The T-Hauled provides 3 customizable temperature options: hot, cold, and room temperature, accessible via top-mounted user-friendly buttons. To keep your family safe, the hot water spout is equipped with a secure 2-step child safety lock. Additionally, an intelligent water shortage indicator eliminates guesswork by alerting you the moment your bottle runs empty. A soft, built-in nightlight gently guides you during late-night use. With its whisper-quiet compressor and elegant fantasy silver finish, the T-Hauled is an exceptionally reliable and stylish addition to any living space.
Product number 4. Primo Water Dispenser. The Primo Water Dispenser for 5-gallon bottle is a fantastic choice for those seeking simplicity and high functionality. Designed to make hydration effortless, this bottom-loading cooler hides the bottle securely inside the lower cabinet, totally eliminating the need to lift, flip, or spill heavy water containers. It delivers instant access to both ice-cold and piping hot purified water with the simple press of a button. The sleek black and stainless steel design fits seamlessly into kitchens, home gyms, or home offices. As an Energy Star certified appliance, it ensures efficient power consumption while maintaining optimal water temperatures round the clock.
It includes a child-resistant safety latch on the hot water control to protect little hands. Compatible with Primo's reusable 3- and 5-gallon bottles, this dispenser is a sustainable, eco-friendly option that dramatically reduces single-use plastic waste while keeping your family perfectly hydrated. Product number 5. U-Homey Self-Cleaning. The U-Homey Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler is a premium, low-maintenance appliance designed for the ultimate home hydration experience. Its standout feature is the advanced self-cleaning UV light technology, which automatically activates to purify the water tank and prevent harmful buildup, ensuring your family always drinks clean, healthy water. This bottom-loading unit effortlessly houses your heavy 5-gallon jugs, sparing your back from strenuous lifting. It provides 3 versatile temperature settings: crisp cold, room temperature, and piping hot, making it ideal for crafting beverages year-round. The modern black stainless steel finish offers an upscale aesthetic while resisting smudges. Safety is prioritized with a dependable child safety lock on the hot water nozzle and an anti-dry burn protection mechanism. Complete with a helpful empty bottle indicator and a convenient nightlight, the U-Homey dispenser is an incredibly smart, sanitary, and stylish choice for modern homes. Looking at price compatibility, the Primo and Tahanald offer fantastic budget-friendly value for everyday use. The Avalon and Brio sit comfortably in the mid-range tier, providing excellent reliability, while the U-Homey commands a slightly higher premium for its advanced UV self-cleaning tech. Check the links below to upgrade your home hydration today.